Can you take T-Mobile Home Internet anywhere? Yes. As of 2025, T-Mobile Home Internet is fully portable within the US, thanks to its 5G technology. The old address lock is a myth. It was actually related to eligibility verification for government subsidies like the Affordable Connectivity Program. You can now move your T-Mobile 5G gateway to any location with T-Mobile 5G coverage and update your service address via the T-Mobile app or website in minutes. This makes it an ideal solution for nomads, RVers, and anyone who needs internet on the go. Remember to check coverage in your new location before moving. To get the most out of T-Mobile Home Internet's portability, always check T-Mobile's coverage map before relocating. Once you're at your new location, test your internet speeds to ensure adequate performance. Update your address promptly in the T-Mobile app to avoid service disruptions or loss of discounts. While T-Mobile's 5G network covers about 90% of the US, coverage gaps can occur, especially in fringe or remote areas. Also, be aware that speeds averaging 100 to 300 megabits can vary based on network congestion. Despite these potential drawbacks, T-Mobile Home Internet offers unparalleled flexibility compared to traditional wired internet options. Don't forget to power and connect the gateway correctly for uninterrupted service.